Possession goes to Polo Clothing. Number 11, Salazar. Pass to Bosquez, no good. Rebound na po ni Bosquez. Bosquez pa rin, jump shot, 2 points. First basket of the night. Pass to Diciembre. Pass to number 1, Izzo. 15-second shot clock. Izzo, pass of 3, no good. Pass to number 9, Stose. Salazar, back to Stose. Stose, pass to Bosquez, pass from 3, no good. Rebound, tapigan ng uwan ni La Rosa. Pass to Salazar. 10-second shot clock. La Rosa. Six-second shot clock. Number 4, Emiliano, no good. 3 seconds. Diciembre. Lays it up. No good. Pass to number 2, La Rosa. La Rosa driving to the basket, lays it up, puts it in. Lago. Pass to number 11, Lago. Pass of 3, no good. Rebound in number 4, Sevillano. Salazar. Pass to La Rosa, no good. Rebound pa rin ni La Rosa. La Rosa, put back, 2 points. 0, JM La Rosa. Score, 6-3. No good. Rebound ni number 9, Stose. Stose pa rin. Step on the gas, lays it up, puts it in. Lago. Lago didistante. Pass to Izzo. 10-second shot clock. Izzo pa rin. Pass to Hawban, pass from 3, no good. Rebound number 4. Pass to Diciembre. Diciembre, spin move. No good. Steal by La Rosa. Pass to number 11, Salazar. Lays it up. Puts it in. 2 JM Salazar. Number 1, Izzo. Pass to Diciembre. Pass to Izzo. 15-second shot clock. Hawban, pass from 3. Hawban, 3 points. Salazar. Pass to Stose. Pass to Salazar. 15-second shot clock. Salazar pa rin. Inside pass kay number 4 Emiliano. May kastama pang foul. Is in. Number 1, Izzo. Izzo. Pass to Pare, back to Izzo. 15-second shot clock. Pare, 2 points by number 13. Score, 13-5. Salazar, 15-second shot clock. Estose, pass from 3, no good. Pass to number 4, Sevillano, 2 points. Salazar. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Jump shot, Pule. Salazar. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 15, Diciembre. 15-second shot clock. No good. Power rebound by number 0, Salazar. Pass to number 11. Pass to Tabi. Number 4. Sevillano, pero may foul. Who's correct? Foul number Team Hawban. First personal foul, second team foul. Second attempt is in and out. Rebound Kim Hawkins. Pass to Diciembre. Pass to Kim Hawkins. Substitution. Sub. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 30, pass number 2 points. Number 9, Stose. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 15, Tabi. Pass to La Rosa, legs up, no good. Rebound ni Monterosa. Pass number 30. Number 30. Pass number 30, Monterosa. Operator number 2. 2 points by Bobek Monterosa. Cyrus Tapi. Defended by Diciembre. Back to Tapi. 15 second shot clock. Ball out of bounds. Ball possession goes to 7 Catering. Number 13, pass to number 15, Diciembre. Back to number 15, Diciembre. No good. Rebound by number 13. In and out. Rebound by number 0. Tapi, 15 seconds shot. Salazar, 3 points. Number 13, Monterosa. Pass to 2, no good. Rebound number 4. Pass to Tapi. Tapi, stolen, ball out of bounds. Ball stays at border with closing. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 11, Salazar. No good. Substitution. Diciembre in. Sevillano, La Rosa out. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 9, Stose. Ball out of bounds. That's up. Lozada in and Stose out. Scored by number 30. Pass to Tabi. Tabi. Pass to Salazar. Back to Tabi. No good. Rebound nakuha ni Lozada. 15 second shot clock. Tabi, pass on 3. No good. Rebound ni Kim Hawkins. Pass to Monterosa. Monterosa. Spin move. Monterosa pa rin. Favorite shot. 2 points by Bobek Monterosa. Score 24-17. Pass to number 39, Makapalo. Pass to Tabi. Pass to number 48, Marcos, 2 points. Hawkins, 5 on 3, no good. Rebound to Makapalo. Pass to number 15, Tabi. Pass to Lozada. Tabi, 2 points. Foul. First attempt is good. Second attempt by number 15, Tabi, is number 30, Marco Abadesa. Abadesa, by foul. On number 48, Marco. First personal foul, first team foul. First attempt is good. Second attempt is good again. Lozada. 15 second shot clock. Lozada. 2 points. First personal foul, first team foul. First attempt is in. Second attempt is good. Substitution run. Number 1 Iso. Pass to number 13. 15 seconds Santa. December. Pass to number 21 Bartolo. 10 seconds Santa. Iso. Iso pa rin. Pinilit. No good. Number 13. Angkat pass kay Pumarin. Pumarin. 15 seconds Santa. Number 20 Losadas. Pass to Pumarin. Pass on 3. Pumarin. Number 1 Iso. Pass to number 13. Pass on 3. No good again. Diba by number 7. Number 12. Orca. Pass to number 68. Pumarin. Losadas. Stolen by Iso. Iso pa rin. Stolen by Pumarin. Agawang buko na sila. Jump ball. Ball possession goes to Border with Trophy. Pumarin. Agos Mariano. 2 points. 11 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. For John. Pass to number 15. 5 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound by number 8. Put back is good. Tampico. Pass to number 15, Tapi. Pass to Soriano. 15 seconds shot clock. Cyrus Tapi, didiskarte. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds, pass from 3. 5. Number 17, Corchado. Pass to Tapi. Fires again from 3. Cyrus Tapi. Number 13, Pare. Pare pa rin. Pare. Wala pa rin. Tapigan. Pass to Salazar. Pass to number 15, Tapi. Fires again from 3. Cyrus Gonzalo. Pass to Manipis. Manipis. 15 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound Tapigan na kunin number 8, Soriano. Put back, no good again. Rebound by number 10. 10 seconds shot clock. Soriano, jump shot. 2 points. Pass to Diciembre, previous shot. No good. Rebound by number 4, Sevillano. Pass to Manipis. Pass to Lozada. Lozada. Nag-ahit na papasahan. 3 minutes shot is good. Salazar, pass to number 8, Soriano. Lozada, huli. Number 4, Thursday, that is good. Si Pare. Pare. Nagmamadali. Pare pa rin. Naitira, no good. Salazar ang re-rebound. Salazar, pass to Lozada. For 3. Lozada. Ikaw ni Diciembre. Diciembre pa rin. Diciembre. Stolen kay Pumarin. Pass to number 48, Marcos. Marcos. No good. Marcos pa rin ang rebound. Marcos. Wala pa rin. Marcos pa rin. It's out. Rebound ni Pumarin. Ato Soriano. Ato La Rosa. 10 seconds shot clock. La Rosa. La Rosa pa rin ang rebound. 2 points. Second shot clock. Monteroso. Back to Diciembre. Diciembre, atake. 3-meter shot. No good. Rebound ni Tabi. Side of Tabi. Pero may foul. Foul number 8 ng Padesa. Third personal foul.
Tatlo na.
Penalty. Presidente in. Second attempt is in game. Substitution ref. Paris Fuentes out. Number 30 is Pares. Number 30 Pares. Pass to Monteroso. Fire the long three. No good. Rebound. Tapigan nakuha ni Pugari. Medyo swerte sa bola ang Polo Clothing. Lahat ng rebound sa kanila. Number 15. Pass to number 8. 15-second shot clock. Tabi. Fires from 3 again. Iris Tabi. Pass to Pugari. 15-second shot clock. Thailand, pass to Marcos. 2 points. Number 15, Tabi. Pero may foul. Foul number 10, Hogan. Warning for foul na si Kim Hogan. Penalty. Substitution ref. Abadesa in. At now. First attempt is good. Time remaining 48 seconds. Second attempt is good. He's go out. First attempt by Diciembre is out. Second attempt is in. Session goes to Polo Clothing. Number 11, Salazar. Pass to Bosquez, no good. Rebound na po ni Bosquez. Bosquez pa rin, jump shot, 2 points. First basket of the night. Number. Pass to Diciembre. Pass to number 1, Izzo. 15-second shot clock. Izzo, pass of 3, no good. Pass to number 9 is Stosse. Salazar, back to Stosse. Stosse, pass to Bosquez, pass from 3. No good. Rebound, tapigan ng uwan ni La Rosa. Pass to Salazar. 10-second shot clock. La Rosa. Second shot clock. Number 4, Emiliano, no good. 3 seconds. Diciembre. Plays it up. No good. Pass to number 0, La Rosa. La Rosa driving to the basket, lays it up, puts it in. Number 15, Tabi. Number 4, Emiliano. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 4, Emiliano. Good. Pasar di Discarte. Pass to Stosse. Stosse. Pass to Marcos. 2 points. Ito pa rin ang good. Number 15, Tabi. At number 48, Marcos. Time remaining 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 15, Diciembre. Number 15, Diciembre. 3 points. Diciembre. Paso La Rosa. Score 89-83. Otol. Paso Bartolo. Bartolo sa ilalim. Lima by number 0. Paso Salazar. Salazar. 15 seconds shutdown. Paso Tapi. 10 seconds shutdown. Soriano, safety back. Salazar, Giliscarte. Column number 15, Diciembre. Second personal foul, penalty. First attempt by Salazar is in. Second attempt is in. First attempt is out. Second attempt is in. Tapi, guarded by number 30, Pare. Abi pa rin. 15 seconds shot up. Salazar. 10 seconds shot up. 5 seconds shot up. Number 48. The score, 97-93. Kapasyapat ang kalabangan ng Borel Clothing. Cyrus Tabi. Pass number 8, Soriano. 15 seconds shot up. Golden. Foul. Foul number 1, Iso. First personal foul, second team foul. First attempt is out. Second attempt by number 4, Sevillano is in. Substitute up. Inbound pass to La Rosa. Pass to Salazar. Foul on number 15, Diciembre. Delay lang po yan, nade-delay lang. Third personal foul, penalty. First attempt is